Hello mga ka-fam! Welcome back to our channel. This is Team Pagkyasan. We are on our third day here at El Nido, Palawan. And for today, we are going to Nakpan Beach and at the Leos. So before going out, I have to apply my sunscreen. Kahit ganyan po mukha natin ay sunscreen pa rin naman tayo at lipstick. At syempre kilay is life. So magkikilay din tayo at magpupulbos. Yan ang ating preparation in today's for today's activity. And of course, I have to take my vitamins before going out because you know what, kailangan natin magpalakas sa bawat araw. So I am taking my vitamins to get ready. Okay, so that's it. We left for Nakpan at 8 in the morning at dito ay nag-rent lang kami ng tricycle. Kausap namin siya a day before at inalok niya kami na pwede naman siya maghatid sa amin sa Nakpan. So, here are we. And by the way, ang rent namin sa tricycle ay 1,200. Maghapon na po iyon. So, at hihintayin ka niya. At yun pong tricycle driver namin ay si John at pwede niyo siyang i-rent at maganda naman ang kanyang service. Ito na po ang Nakpan Beach. Sa totoo lang, yung kanyang mga amenities ay very basic naman. Pero, panalong-panalo ka naman sa tubig dagat. Napakalinis po. Ayan. Nag-enjoy po talaga ako sa pagligo dyan. Kaya kahit mainit, katanghaliang tapat, nakababad po ako dyan talaga. Magmula sa bayan hanggang dito sa Nakpan ay mga 40 minutes. Kaya hindi naman lugi dun sa rent namin kay Mang John na tricycle driver, no? At hindi rin naman lugi talaga kasi after this, pupunta pa kami ng Leos Beach na matagal din. Actually, buong araw na yan at malayo din yon dito. By the way, free po ang entrance dito sa Nakpan. Ang may rent ay itong mga amenities nila kung gagamit ka.
Ayan, actually, ayan o, birthday niya kasi, kaya, yun, nakatalikod siya. Pero, fairness ganda ng, ano dito, dagat sa kabuhangin. Wala masabi. Ano, ano, birthday niya eh. Kaya, wala akong magawa kung hindi maging cameraman na lang. Maaga pa kami rito.
Anong island yung nandun?
Kaya na yun, kay Manipakya po mo.
Alin?
Mayaman siya rin.
Ayun yun daw yung island ni Manny Pacquiao. Taray. Let's go to the beach. Wavy siya, ayan o. Pero, my God, may in love ko sa tubig. Sa sand, ayan o. Napaka-tino and then napaka-clear. Ayan, medyo may wave siya. Look at that. Sobrang linis ng dagat na to. Kita nyo yan? This is here at Nakpan Beach. So nice, oh. If you just want to dip in waters, libre siya. Siyempre, pag kumuha ka na nung mga yan, mga amenities nila, doon ka lang magbabayad. Pero kung katulad noon na sa sand lang sila, free, all for free. Pakaganda po. Tingnan nyo naman yung tubig, oh. Sobra. Again, this is at Nakpan Beach. So pristine, so clear. Ayan. Dito lang tayo muna para di mabasa aking cellphone. So nice. Ganda ng tubig, grabe, super. From Nakpan Beach, we went straight to Leo Beach. This beach is quite high-end, although the entrance still free. If you're just going for a swim at the beach, it's free. This is inside Leo Beach. Diyan kaya tayo kumain. Tingin mo na tayo. Ha? Ay, oo. Leo's Beach, ang ganda. Ayala ba naman eh. Developer. Yan. O, diba? Super nice! Ang ganda! Oo, maganda. Alam mo na, mahal din. This is wow. Kahit mainit dyan. Wow, pupwesto na siya. Pupwesto na si Don Saldino.
This is what I've waited for.
For you, this is vacation.
Yeah.
This is the place.
I like this place.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that place.
Amazing, yeah.
Look at that. Wait.
yung,
You look at that.
yung mga behind ng foreigners ang tinitingnan
Take a
niya.
look at that. Wait.
Mag-ano tayo doon, no? Mag-swing?
What? Ayan siya. Birthday niya eh. Yan o. Beautiful place actually. Yan o. O sige, mag-lunch na tayo.
Ha?
Mag-lunch na tayo. Kasi birthday mo. Yan. Birthday mo, di ba?
Iniisip ko na lang na January 4.
Yeah, this is your advance celebration actually. But I'm hoping you know. Ang mga foreigner to, ano lagi dito sa bukot-bukot.
Maugani.
Ano daw ka dito?
Saan? Yan, lumamig. Dito tingin tayo. Sa mga ganyan or...
Tingin ka. Tingin ka.
This is what you're looking for, ha?
Even the price.
Correct. This is what you want, eh?
Yeah, this is so pricey. So pricey. It's so what do you call this?
Here at El Nido Grill, dito sa loob ng Leo Beach. Pricey. Pero let's see. Ganun talaga.
This is
Pricey yung place.
what I'm looking for.
Pricey din yung food. So, let's see.
Courtesy by Ayala.
Yeah. So, El Nido Grill ang name. May mga ano, maliliit na... Eto, papakita ko. Yan yung mga gano'n, maliliit. Pero alam nyo ba, tiningnan ko pati sa likod niyan. Mas pricey pa. Ay. Pricey pa yung maliliit na gano'n. Kala ko, tapos sa likod niya. Excuse me. Merong mas maliliit.
Sipin mo?
Pero puro kakanin kasi. So, lunch ang hanap namin.
700.
Oo.
Hamburger 700. How come?
Hindi naman 700. Iba yata yung tiningnan mo. What can you say about the place? Look. Here. What can you say about the
nothing
place?
more to say about the place actually. But you know, the place itself is so amazing, you know.
But the price of the food?
And then the food as well is so pricey because the entrance of this place Ayala, you know that name Ayala. When you say Ayala, no, that's so incredible. When you heard Ayala, incredible.
English talaga. English talaga.
Pricey, you know. The hamburger 500 plus, you know.
Yeah. Doon parang ang French fries nila for
I can understand. You need to speak English because
Ayoko ay. We have to speak English daw because the place is so pricey. Ganun ba yan? Oo, the French fries over there
this place
for
is
120.
no, look at the plane.
Ay, yeah. Oo naman.
Or near from the airport. Everything you do.
Pwede tayo mag-ano doon, no? Ay, may mga naglalakad
Later.
doon. Later, okay.
Later, alligator. You know, I like this place. Maybe. God willing.
Pero sa dagat, I like yung kanina? Ano yung tinaliguan ko? Ayan na,
I forgot, you know.
Ilalagay lang namin dyan.
Maybe later. I like the place, the surroundings.
Sa kanina? Oh, today.
This
Ito kasi mapuno, no?
no,
Inayos talaga nila.
because Ayala. Because of Ayala.
Pero yung kanina kasi parang walang particular na mga
Not
lokal,
so
mga lokal.
organized, unlike this place.
Pero sa yung kanina pag na-organize, pag nabuhan ng malalaki yan.
And then here from the airport.
They have their own airport here at Leo Beach.
Yeah.
May sarili sila. Kasi tinignan ko na to sa FB. They have their own. I just don't know where. Kasi malawak na ito masyado.
That's why, paring Manny Pacquiao took the place here near from Ayala Line.
Correct.
Anyway, we're waiting for our lunch today.
Kasi nakalibre kami sa dinner niya kagabi. Doon sa Bayview.
Yeah, at Bayview Hotel. And I never expect that. Maybe it's favor from God for my birthday. And then this is the real
Celebration.
lunch celebration.
Hindi rin.
Thank
Ilang
you.
order lang namin ang mahal kasama.
Thank
Charot.
you.
Welcome.
Love you.
Love you. Pala isang ulam lang, no?
Ngayon, ano kita?
Hindi, di ba, Nick? Hindi na lang natin. Ha? Tama. Lalakad-lakad kami sa Leo Resort. Hinahanap namin yung entrance ng Isla Amara.
Oo nga.
Chichika dato.
Totoo yan.
Ang ganda dito.
Magmamarites siya.
Pinatkuhan dyan si Piolo at si Catherine Charot.
Piolo at saka si Maring Catherine.
Pero ito na yung ano nila, parang pinakakabuuan. Marami namang resort dito, isa lang sila.
Kabila niyan, airport.
Tapos may airport, oo, yung airport nila. Ito na yun.
Oo, under renovation.
Baka nga nire-renovate.
Ito nga.
Ito na, no? Kaya Kaayadan. Kapagawa. Ayan na ang Isla Amara. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan po. Here at Aubrey's, plant-based sila. So, tingnan natin. Paano kaya alak nila? Plant-based din. Ha? Trying their plant-based matcha. Okay naman. And also their plant-based lumpia. Wala talagang karne. Plant-based. Super thankful to God for this great opportunity to be in His wonderful creation. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates from us. Thank you so much for watching.